Hello? Yeah. What's up, baby? I'm gonna let you out. You better not run. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Hello. You immediately bolted. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. No. I know you're a parrot kitty. Stop. Chill. Hi. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. No. Okay, you know what? Hi. What's up? Hi. Hi. Yes, I know. This is the little guy we've been fostering for the last, month, and I haven't been able to kind of record him. Oh! Sneezy again. Hi! Hi! No! No! What are you doing? You climbed onto my camera and almost did something. No. You're a goober. You're adorable, but you're such a goober. You're such a goober. You're about to fall. You're about to fall. Yes, I know. What's up? You're all excited. All excited. I know. They really want to get on my shoulder, but I haven't trimmed their claws yet, and those kind of hurt. Hi, yes, I know. Hi, yes, I know. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, your claws hurt. You know that? What's up? What's up? Vanilla, help me. Stop meowing at me. Help. Get up here. Vanilla, come here. No. No. My fingers are not play toys. Get Vanilla. Help. Stop staring at me and help. No. Okay. What's up? What's up? Yes, I know. I sit down here. No. No. You're not getting the point. I don't want you on the show. Yes. What's up? I get it. You want to be on a shoulder. We get it. You're a parrot. You're a parrot. We know. You're a parrot. We know. You know what? Here you go. Oh, you think I'm daft? I'm not sitting down. I know you. Oh. And he bolted. At least it was into the kitchen. Hi. God, I need something to drink here. Hi. Hi. What's up? Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. Bubba, stop. Bubba. He was licking all up and down my arm. Hi. Yes, I know. You're so tiny. You're a parrot kitty. You're a troublemaker. They also, so this guy had a little bit of a problem. Yeah, I know. No. Buddy. Buddy. Hi. Yes, I need to talk to you. You cannot. He's on my back right now, freaking out. Okay, okay, come here. I'm here. Well, I'm not sitting down. Ow. Oh, yeah, you better run. Oh! As I was saying, this little goober that just ran away from me, he had a, well, let's say a hell of a tough experience, but he actually got through it. I'm shocked. What's up? What's up? He ended up being like really, really sick when we got him, and he was a bottle baby, so that's bad. But he got through it, and he's so energetic. Look at him. He's so lovable. Yes, he is. Oh my goodness. He's such a lovely boy. Okay, no. No. You stop that. You're not tearing those apart. Because that would make a mess, and I don't want that. My God, what are you doing? Are you scared by the story? You are scared. You are Bubba level of scaredy cat. Got it. Well, I'm going back here in here with Bubba. I'm not gonna follow me too. Hi. Hi, Fluffy boy. I'm a fluffy child. Yeah, she's just a floppy boy. But we finally got him through everything. And oh my God, he is so energetic and so cute. There's also, we've already showed Boots off. There's also this pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Yes, I know. Look, a pretty girl. Hi. She's usually either down in here or down there. But right now, she's on that tower. Speaking of pretty girl, I didn't expect her to be in this position. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi, Coco. Just so adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tiny paws. Look at the tiny white paws. Oh, I can hear you doing things out here. You know that, right? Where are you? Where did you go? Where did you bolt off to? Oh, I see that little tail. You're in the corner. Hi. What's up? Papa, can you stop? What up? Come here. Oh, no, God, you're spazzing out. Okay, hi. Hello. Hi. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Aha! No. No. Bad. You're too energetic for me to watch over right now. Oh! What's up, Bubba? Oh my God, it's the Bubby boy. It's the Fluffy boy. Yes, you are. Hi, Bubby boy. Flop. Yep. You sweet talk him and he flops. Oh, what's up, Bubby boy? Hi, Bubber. What's the Bubby boy? is look, it's the fluffy boy. What's up? The fluffiest boy. Fluffer. Well, you don't want to do it now. Oh well.